In this video I'm going to very quickly go over how to get your paper ready for printing. So it's really simple. All you got to do is find the middle of all of your things, the middle of your printing plate and the middle of all your papers. So first I'm going to do the printing plate. The printing plate is 9 by 6, so the middle would be 4.5, and this middle would be 3. So all I do is I measure the printing plate, I make a mark at 4.5, and then I measure this side, make a mark at 4.5, and I draw it straight across. It's important that you're accurate with this measurement. You can see the line right here is just right here. It doesn't go through my actual image. Same over here. I measure 3, and then I measure 3 over, make a mark, and then with a dark pencil or a pen or something, I extend that line. That line has to go past my cardboard onto this board a little bit. Then my registration on this board is set up. Now I just have to get my paper ready. So for my paper, I'm just going to be labeling the middle of the paper. So I'm just going to take my ruler. This paper is 12 inches by 9 inches. So I'm going to measure 4.5, make a mark, flip it over, measure half of 12, which is 6. So I'm measuring the middle of all of these sides of the paper and just making a mark. 6. My last step here is to figure out where the top will be. So I'm just going to make a mark. This side is going to be my top. On here, this is my top. I just made a big letter T. I drew it right on the cardboard. That way I know when I put the paper down that the top is up here, so it's sitting the right way. Then all I have to do is line up all of my little marks on my paper, and I know it should be in the right spot. And you want to do this with 4 different sheets of paper. So mine are all white, but I have all of the tops marked and all of the middles of all of the sides marked for 4 sheets of paper. You could also do this with colored paper if you so choose. With mine, you wouldn't see the paper anyway, so I just kept it all white. Once you have that done, don't forget to put a piece of tape on your board and put your name and period, and these can go back by the fan to store, and your paper can go in your bin. You might want to mark which ones are yours just in case somebody else tries to claim it's theirs. And that's how you get your paper and your board set up for printing.